Reset CRM password. Open the link provided by us to access the CRM client portal. Once you're on the login screen, click on the Forgot Password. This will take you to the password reset page. Now, enter the email address associated with your CRM account. Make sure it's the same one you used when setting up your account. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. CRM will now send a password reset link to your inbox. Check your email for the password reset link. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you've received the email, click on the reset link inside. This will take you back to the CRM password reset page. Now, create a new password for your CRM account. After you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the second field, then click on Save Changes. That's it. You can now log in to CRM using your new password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.